When it comes to grooming, we've got everything a man needs.
पर कैसे? मेरी मम्मी तो अलाव ही नहीं करती जर्म्स के डर से।
Wake up alive with Simple Life.
Storytelling has a new face with brands taking content marketing route. Although it's present in every marketer's strategy, it leaves an impression that content is currently just a buzzword, and it may take time to mature enough. Buzz in Content spoke to Godrej Consumer Products CEO Sunil Kataria on the state of content marketing and its future in India.
जर्म्स का डर शिव मंत्र।
Is content marketing currently just a buzzword? Do you think the space will take time to mature in the country?
My feeling on this is that this content marketing space is a little hyped and little of a misnomer. For example, without any content, there cannot be any communication anyway. So, for example, when TV evolved in India, the disruption in TV happened after 1982, is when TV went private, the medium, and there's a huge amount of content happened through soap operas, if you recall. That is content. And then the whole TV journey has been about content, whether it's sports content, whether it's news content, or whether it's entertainment content. Multiple genres have evolved. So there has been a content piece which has evolved there. Similarly, in print, if you see again, if there is strong content, is when the readership goes up. The difference is that in digital media, it's a two-way communication. It is no longer one single controlled branded content which you can just broadcast and force on your viewers. Hence, there's a lot of talk about what kind of content we should have. So I think definitely it is important to have content which is very clearly meaningful to consumers. Only then they will engage in it. Otherwise, they have very clear choice to just move on. And if brands need to come in that content, they'll have to do through in a native way. Branded content where you're openly endorsing your brand and everything what your brand is shouting like a broadcast medium is not something which consumers will really consume.
How bullish is GCPL on content marketing?
As I said, without content there is no digital marketing in our mind, because what digital is just another. It's a very important and another way of people consuming information. The challenge is that today it is a consumer's disposition that what they want to consume and they just move off, right? They're no longer captive audience anyway. So I think the key really is that they come there for information, they come there for meaningful content. So if you have no meaningful content for them, they're not going to stick around. So it is a given in my mind.
What challenges does a marketer face while making content for the FMCG category?
I think what challenge marketers face for content and not really FMCG, I think per se is that in India, the biggest challenge is that we are multiple states, multiple languages, right? This is the first challenge. That unfortunately digital is still not evolved very, very big in vernacular, the content side, right? We have emerged as maybe in English first, followed by Hindi kind of a content medium through digital. So the biggest struggle is the digital adoption in India will go through a very big multiplier as vernacular becomes bigger and bigger, and that realization has come. There are enough OTT platforms which are emerging, which are catering to vernacular audience. So I think that is something which is the first challenge. And the challenge then there becomes is that the brands, when they want to communicate to the multiple audiences, they have to realize that they cannot just adopt one Hindi master form of content communication and then just dub it into languages. That's not going to work anymore. That was okay as long as it was on one mass TV communication era. Now people, when they're consuming digital in a two-way communication sitting in Tamil Nadu, they would like to see content which talks to them, or which they can engage with in their own cultural tonalities. So you just can't pick up a communication in Hindi or content in Hindi and just dub it for a Tamil or Telugu anymore. Second big thing which one has to keep in mind is that till now when regional content was happening, it was by and large limited to broadcast within boundaries. So I think from a digital medium point of view, the biggest thing in content is that the consumer boundaries are no longer defined by states. the consumers are all over India for any one language, and hence the marketeers have to follow content-led viewership rather than, I would say, regional boundary-led viewership.
Do you think content marketing will grow to its full potential when it includes traditional media as well?
No, so I think content will grow to its full potential when it becomes vernacular, when it becomes customized, and when it is truly native in its form.
Do niche and mass brands treat content marketing differently?
I think this whole boundaries of a mass and niche brand are really not going to be applicable to digital. See, first of all, I personally think maybe we are just treating digital as too much of a unique animal which has come into the room, you know. The question is, digital has just become another way of consuming content. That's it. You know, the question is, it is just another medium, and it is becoming almost a lead medium for consuming content. So the brand, whether it's a niche brand or whether it's a mass brand, if consumer screens are going to be on digital or mobile phones, you better well cater them. It's no longer about mass or niche at all.